Coronation Street's Julia Goulding and Sally Ann Matthews had a blast behind the scenes of the soap's latest tragedy. Sally's character Jenny may have been in tears as her on-screen ex-Johnny Connor drowned in a sinkhole, but when the cameras weren't rolling she was all smiles with her co-stars, even playing a bit of volleyball in the giant water tank. In one picture shared on Instagram, Sally wrapped an arm around Julia while they floated in the fake storm drain. While in another shot Julia, clad in a wetsuit, made a splash as she dived for a multicolored beach ball in the pool. She captioned it, "We did have fun between scenes though. Storm drain water volleyball anyone? Volleyball." Sally Ann shared a video of the game, and said, "We grafted, let me tell ya. It truly was one of the best experiences of my professional life. Months and months of preparation from every department at Coronation Street, and then we got to have the best 6 days ever X." Viewers were in tears last night when Johnny drowned after confessing his love for ex-wife Jenny. The businessman, who is played by actor Richard Hawley in the ITV soap, bravely saved Jenny's life after she fell into the sinkhole. But after she was safe, Johnny's body gave up and he passed out, drowning in the old sewer system. "Something's wrong, he's not moving," Jenny said as Johnny failed to grab the rope to be pulled out. Blue Circle, read our Soap Spoilers Live blog for more news and gossip. Jenny begged him to fight to stay alive, shouting, "Johnny, say something, are you okay?" "Johnny, listen to me, they're here. They're going to be with you soon. You don't have to talk to me but look at me. Just raise your head, Johnny. Johnny, look at me. They're here." But in a devastating scene Johnny began to hear the voice of his late son Aiden calling him Dad. He had previously had visions of Aiden as a symptom of his MS. The Sun can reveal the soap used archive sound of actor Shane Ward for the heartbreaking scene. As she realized what was going on, Jenny shouted, "Johnny, please, you just need to hold on. I love you." After telling Jenny he loved her too, Johnny slipped away under the water, leaving Jenny screaming in anguish. In heartbreaking scenes, Carla watched as Jenny was brought out without Johnny, and it dawned on her what had happened. Carla broke down in tears and viewers were with her. One wrote, "Aw, that was heartbreaking hearing Johnny calling out Aiden's name." A second said, "I cannot believe the lovely Johnny Connor has gone, crying face." Another added, "Poor Johnny, I'm beyond heartbroken, and when we heard Aiden's voice, well, that was it, broken heart, crying face, Rose, R.I.P. Johnny, Rose."